Dialogue 1. Personal budgeting. Hi, Helen. How are you?
Hi, Jane. I'm good, thanks.
Can I ask something, please?
Sure, Jane. What's your question?
How do you manage money?
I create a personal budget.
A personal budget? What's that?
It's a plan for expenses.
Why is a budget important?
It helps control spending and saving.
How do I start a budget?
Write down your monthly income.
What if my income changes?
Use an average monthly amount.
What's the next step, Helen?
List all your regular expenses.
Regular expenses? What are those?
Things like rent, bills, food.
What about occasional expenses, Helen?
Include those, like gifts or trips.
How do I track spending?
Keep receipts or use budgeting apps.
Budgeting apps? Are they easy?
Yes, most apps are simple.
What's the best saving strategy?
Save 10% of your income.
Is 10% enough for saving?
It's a good place to start.
How do I avoid overspending?
Set limits for non-essential expenses.
Non-essential expenses? What are those?
Things like movies, clothes, eating out.
Should I stop spending on fun?
No, just spend responsibly and plan.
Any tips for saving money?
Cook at home and avoid debt.
Avoid debt? How can I?
Pay bills on time, avoid loans.
What if I can't save money?
Cut unnecessary expenses and prioritize saving.
Is it okay to change budgets?
Yes, adjust your budget as needed.
Can I save for big goals?
Yes, create a separate savings account.
How do I stay motivated?
Track progress and celebrate small wins.
Thanks, Helen. This really helps.
You're welcome, Jane. Good luck.
I'll start my budget today.
Great decision, Jane. Stay consistent.
Dialogue 2. Investing for beginners. Hi, Helen. How are you?
Hi, Jane. I'm doing well.
Can I ask you something?
Of course, Jane. What is it?
What do you know about investing?
Investing helps grow your money.
Really? How does investing work?
You buy stocks, bonds, or funds.
Stocks? What are they exactly?
Stocks are parts of a company.
How do stocks make money?
Their value grows, or pay dividends.
What about bonds? Are they good?
Bonds are loans to a company.
Do bonds grow money like stocks?
Bonds grow slower but are safer.
What's a mutual fund, Helen?
It's a group of investments.
Are mutual funds good for beginners?
Yes, they spread risk across investments.
How much money do I need?
Start small, even with little money.
Is investing risky for beginners?
All investing has some level risk.
How can I reduce investment risks?
Diversify your investments in different options.
What does diversifying actually mean, Helen?
Don't put money in one thing.
Should I start investing early, Helen?
Yes, time helps your money grow.
What if I lose money?
Stay patient, investments recover with time.
How do I pick investments wisely?
Research companies and understand their potential.
Are there tools to help beginners?
Yes, use apps or financial advisors.
Do I need to watch markets?
Not daily, check progress regularly instead.
Should I invest all my savings?
No, keep some money for emergencies.
How long should I invest for?
Think long term, like 5 years minimum.
Can investing secure my future?
Yes, it builds wealth over time.
Is there a best investment strategy?
Be consistent and focus on your goals.
Thanks, Helen. This is very helpful.
You're welcome, Jane. Start soon.
I'll learn more and begin.
That's great, Jane. Good luck.
Dialogue 3. Debt management. Hi, Helen. How are you?
Hi, Jane. I'm doing well.
Can we talk about debt today?
Sure, Jane. What's on your mind?
How do I manage personal debt?
First, understand your debt types.
What types of debt are there?
Student loans, credit cards, mortgages.
What's a student loan, exactly?
It's money borrowed for education.
How can I manage student loans?
Pay monthly payments on time.
What if I can't pay it?
Contact your lender for options.
How about credit card debt?
Pay off credit cards quickly.
Is credit card debt dangerous?
Yes, high interest makes it worse.
What happens if I don't pay?
Late fees and damaged credit scores.
What's a mortgage? Is it debt?
Yes, it's a loan for homes.
How do I manage mortgage payments?
Set up automatic payments each month.
Can I pay off debt faster?
Yes, make extra payments when possible.
Should I avoid using credit cards?
Only use them if necessary.
How does debt impact financial health?
It reduces your ability to save.
How do I stay motivated to pay?
Set goals and track your progress.
Should I consolidate my debt?
Debt consolidation can simplify payments.
What's the best way to start?
List all your debts and amounts.
How can I reduce interest rates?
Try negotiating with your lenders.
Is it okay to borrow more?
Only borrow if it's absolutely necessary.
Can I refinance my loans, Helen?
Yes, refinancing lowers interest rates.
Is debt repayment my top priority?
Yes, paying debt should come first.
How do I improve my credit score?
Pay bills on time, keep balances low.
How long will it take to clear debt?
It depends on your payment plan.
Thanks, Helen. This helps a lot.
You're welcome, Jane. Keep it up.
Dialogue 4. Saving for retirement. Hi, Helen. How are you?
Hi, Jane. I'm doing great.
Can we talk about retirement saving?
Sure, Jane. It's an important topic.
Why should I save for retirement?
To have money when you stop working.
When should I start saving, Helen?
Start as early as you can.
What options do I have, Helen?
There are 401(k), S, and IRAs.
What's a 401(k)? Please explain.
It's a plan through your employer.
How does a 401(k) work?
You contribute part of your salary.
Does my employer help with 401(k)?
Some employers match your contributions.
What's an IRA, Helen? Explain that.
It's an individual retirement account.
How is an IRA different, Helen?
You open it yourself, not employer-based.
Are there types of IRAs, Helen?
Yes, traditional and Roth IRAs.
What's the difference between those two?
Traditional saves taxes now, Roth later.
How much should I save yearly?
Save at least 15% of income.
Can I save more than that?
Yes, more savings mean more security.
What happens if I don't save?
You might struggle financially when older.
Is saving hard for most people?
It's challenging but worth the effort.
Can I use other savings plans?
Yes, like CDs or mutual funds.
Should I invest my retirement savings?
Yes, investments grow your money faster.
Is retirement planning only for older people?
No, starting young makes it easier.
How do I stay consistent saving?
Automate your contributions every month.
Should I increase savings over time?
Yes, raise it as income increases.
How do I avoid spending savings?
Keep it in a retirement account.
What if I face an emergency?
Use an emergency fund, not retirement money.
Thanks, Helen. This is really helpful.
You're welcome, Jane. Start saving soon.
I'll set up my plan today.
Great decision, Jane. Plan for success.
Dialogue 5. Financial planning for big purchases. Hi, Helen. How are you?
Hi, Jane. I'm doing well.
Can we talk about financial planning?
Sure, Jane. What do you need?
How do I plan big purchases?
Start by setting a clear goal.
Like what kind of goals, Helen?
Buying a house or paying wedding expenses.
How do I start saving, Helen?
Create a budget and track spending.
What's the first step in budgeting?
List your income and monthly expenses.
Should I cut unnecessary expenses too?
Yes, save money from unnecessary spending.
How do I decide a savings amount?
Save based on your goal's cost.
What if the cost seems too big?
Break it into smaller, manageable steps.
How long should I plan for?
It depends on your savings goal.
What's a good way to save?
Open a separate savings account.
Why a separate account, Helen?
To avoid spending it accidentally.
Can I invest for big purchases?
Yes, investments help your money grow.
What kinds of investments are good?
Consider safe options like mutual funds.
How do I stay on track?
Review your progress every few months.
What if unexpected costs come up?
Build an emergency fund alongside savings.
How much for an emergency fund?
Save at least 3 months' expenses.
Should I borrow money if needed?
Borrow only as a last option.
How do loans affect my goal?
Loans add interest, increasing overall cost.
Can I use credit cards instead?
Avoid credit cards for large expenses.
What if I need more time?
Adjust your plan and stay consistent.
Should I involve family in planning?
Yes, discuss shared goals and responsibilities.
How do I prioritize multiple goals?
Focus on the most important goal first.
Thanks, Helen. This advice is great.
You're welcome, Jane. Plan carefully.
I'll start my savings plan today.
That's a smart choice, Jane. Good luck.